Embark your AI journey with VVDN's end-to-end AI/ML expertise. Our advanced AI capabilities such as machine learning, deep learning, convolutional neural network address multiple tier requirements of computer vision-based solutions. With over years of experience and in-depth knowledge, VVDN has developed a wide range of AI/ML reusable frameworks, which help customers in developing innovative AI solutions with reduced time to market and cost. Here are some of the applications based on AI/ML which have benefited many industries. Let's have a look into it. Security surveillance applications, smart retail applications, smart city traffic applications, driver monitoring solution. Create, innovate, produce your next-gen innovative solution with VVDN's AI/ML expertise. To learn more, visit us at www.vvdntech.com.